Hi students, welcome back to the Social Science online class. Today we are going to learn about second unit towards history. What is history? History is the study of recorded events of past in chronological order. So what is history, students? History is the study of recorded events of the past. So they are recorded on the stones or on the leaves or on the copper plates in the chronological order. So chronological order means series wise, sequential wise. So first is first. They are arranged in the date. Okay. So they are very useful to know about. The first is first and the second order is second. So that they are chronological order. So we can find out easily from that. Okay students, let's get into the lesson. First, Stone Age. In Tamil, Karkalam. Okay, Stone Age. In the beginning, humans were not aware of metals. So in the ancient time, in the starting period, humans don't know about metals. Okay, they took several years to discover metals. They took several years for finding the metals. Our lives today are their gifts. Yes, just imagine students to compare this period of time to that ancient period. They were just finding, they don't aware of metals. But look now, we know everything. We have lot of features. So they only started. They only give their gifted life for us. Okay. During this period, humans were not aware of scripts. In that period, that Stone Age period of time, they don't aware of studies and don't aware of read, write. They don't have any writing scripts. Okay. The Stone Age in the period, in which stones were used as weapons. So in that period, they used weapons. They used stones for their weapons. Look at the pictures, students. This is the stone weapons they used. Next we'll see about nature of human evolution. Early humans lived in jungles along with the animals. So early humans lived in forest along with the animals. They lived in forest. Okay. They used the stone tools to protect themselves. They used stone. They only know about stones only. So they used stone tools to protect themselves, drive away animals, dig out roots and shoots, etc. For everything they used stone tools. Okay. The most important thing, they ate everything in a raw food. They ate everything as a raw. Okay, including flesh, meat, fruits, shoots, everything they eat rawly they eat. Okay, without cooking they eat. They didn't cook their food because they don't know. They did not know the use of fire in the beginning. And then at first the dog was their good companion, good friend, because the dog, while the dog barking, every wild animals run away. So they were used. Dog was the pet animal, first pet animal. Then they took it wherever they went. Later they started rearing cattle as they did not harm them and very very useful to them. So later they started growing cattle. They did not harm them and were very useful for them. Okay, a cattle means we know, right, that cow and goat, everything they starting rearing. Okay, they started rearing them. Then they observed some grains growing along the riverside. Then they are noticed some grains growing along the riverside. They ate them and found it was very tasty. Then they started keen observes. Then they find out the grains grow with the help of sunshine and rainfall. So this is the reason to start their cultivation. The art of cultivation, agricultural thing started with their keen observation. Next, early humans noticed forest fire. At first they were afraid of the fire because some of the animals are died due to the fire. So they are very fired in that. So next they ate the flesh of that burnt animals. It tastes very good. So they find out, oh, it was very tasty. They also observed that the spark next then only they eat cooked food. After eating that burnt animals, they actually like the taste, so they started to cook the food. Okay, and also they observed one more thing. That spark come out by scratching two stones together. So scratching of two stones, they get the spark of fire. They find out that also. Since then they ate cooked food because they have fire. They know how to make the fire. Okay students, next we are going to learn about what is nomadic life. Okay, early humans did not know to grow crops. They don't know how to grow crops. They wandered in all the landscapes in search of food. They wandered one place to another place to search for food. They ate whatever they got and drank water from natural sources. So like lake and river. So they drink natural sources. This kind of life was called nomadic life. Okay, nomadic life. So what is nomadic life? They don't know how to grow crops and they wandered one place to another place to search food. They ate whatever they got and drank water from the natural sources. This kind of life was called nomadic life. Okay. Next, students, do you know what they wore? They wore skins of animals and leaves and barks of trees to cover their body. Okay, and they lived in caves, big caves and holes of big trees. Next, they used bones, horns, stones, skin, branches of trees and sticks as their tools and weapons. What they used for their tools and weapons? They used bones, horns, stones, skin, branches of trees and sticks. Okay, this stage of development in history was called New Stone Age or Neolithic Age. Okay students, now we are going to see about a Stone Age classification. Stone Age classified into three categories. Okay, so first one, Paleolithic Age, that is also called Old Stone Age. Next, second one, Mesolithic Age, that is also called Middle Stone Age. The final third one is called Neolithic Age, that is New Stone Age. Okay, so that's all for the today class students. Thank you.